Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Candy Cat from Poppy Playtime. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Start with the curve at the bottom here, over to the left. And then a curve on the right to close it off. Next, inside, let's draw the nose with a triangle shape here. And then color it in black. Now on the left, let's draw a curve over, down, and back in. And the same thing on the right, but longer. Now let's draw the mouth underneath. Underneath the left side, let's draw a long curve down. And then the same thing on the right, but we're going to make it a little bit longer, stopping here. Next, let's add the tongue. Let's start inside, and we're going to draw a curve up and back down. And then another curve on the left. Next, let's continue that curve down, looping it back up. Next, let's continue that line by looping it around and back up to the other side of the mouth. Next, let's erase that headline inside the tongue. And next for the mouth, let's color the inside black. Next, let's hop up above the nose and let's draw a curve up. Next, let's draw the eyes. Let's start with the left side by adding an oval here. And then another one on the right side. Next, move under the left eye and we're going to add a teardrop shape here. And then another one below it. Now let's do the same thing on the right cheek. Next, let's add the ears on top of the head. On the top right of the head, let's add a point like this. And then from the top, a curve down here. And the same thing at the bottom, but we're going to leave a gap in the center. Then connect the two sides with a curve up and back down. Next, let's erase the headline inside the ear. Next, let's add the other ear on the top left of the head. So let's start with a point up and back down. And then one more inside. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the paw on the bottom left next. Let's start with the curve next to the head, like this. And then a curve underneath starting from the tongue. Now let's hop back to the top and we're going to draw a curve up and over. And then again, a curve over, but this time bringing it down to close off the foot. Next, inside, let's draw a curve down like this. Now a curve across the bottom of the foot, And then on the right, bring it back up. Now let's hop over to the right side and we're going to draw the other foot. Underneath the head here, let's draw a curve. And then another one to the right. And then one more. Next, from the bottom, let's draw a curve down to the right like this. Now let's hop up above the middle toe and we're going to draw a curve up and then back down to close off the leg. Now let's add the bottom of the foot by drawing a curve across the bottom like this. Now inside, let's add a curve here, and then continue it on the bottom of the foot. Let's draw the body next. Let's hop up above the left ear and let's draw a curve up, and then over to the right, stopping about here. At the end here now, let's add a long oval for the leg. Now from under the oval, let's curve it back down for the bottom of the body. Next, let's add the pattern inside the body. Let's start on the right side of the head and we're going to draw a curve up. Then one more loop like this. Another one towards the leg, and then one more at the top to close it off. Now let's hop over to the right side and add the last foot. Let's start under the leg and we're going to draw a curve down and back up like this. Then at the top, let's draw a curve across, and then two curves at the bottom for the toes. Lastly, let's add the tail at the top. Let's start up here and let's draw a curve over to the left, curving it down and back in. And that's it for Candy Cat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!